Hey, it's Lou. Can you believe it's already October? It's like practically 2025. So I've been making some plans for the coming year, and I was thinking about how can I best help you prepare for 2025, especially when it comes to AI and video. How can you get ramped up and hit the ground running in 2025? So what I've done is I've put together a few of my best courses, best trainings, and other goodies into a 2025 Video Success Kit. This includes my AI Video Mastery Class, which was a four-part, four-module comprehensive program on video, AI, Descript, Pictory, all kinds of cool tools. In addition, I'm going to throw in my new AI video guide. This is a comprehensive 80-page PDF that will tell you everything you need to know about all the cool AI video tools out there. And I'm also going to include my brand new Notebook LM and Descript training. This has never been released before. It's a 45-minute training on how to leverage AI, how to use cool new tools like Notebook LM to make videos almost effortless. And finally, to help you hit the ground running this quarter and in 2025, I'm going to give you 3 months access into my Fast Forward Insiders group. Inside Fast Forward, you get access to me twice a month. You get all kinds of cool resources and goodies. So check it all out. I've put the entire bundle together for you. So this is a great chance to get your hands on some of the best stuff I've created in the last few months. Cutting edge training on AI and video. If you had to purchase these separately, it would be over $800, and you can get it right now for just $297. So jump in and we'll see you on the other side.